Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Royal Minds. Watch Royal Minds and make your thought royal. Well, today we'll start with one moral story. One day a hound dog went hunting by himself in the woods. He spotted a rabbit in the bush and chased him out into the open. The rabbit darted this way and that. The dog followed. The rabbit ran. When the dog began to tire of the chase, the rabbit with one last burst of energy ran very fast and escaped from the dog and also went into the burrow. There was a small hole in that burrow. When rabbit tried to see out of it, the dog questioned the rabbit, I'm stronger than you, I'm bigger in size, I can run faster than you, but then also I was not able to catch you. How is it possible? Then Rabbit replied, tears in his eyes, you were running for your lunch, but I am running for my life. What do you understood by this? That means whatever you are doing, whether if you are doing for a lunch or for your life, if it is for your lunch, then it is very hard to get success. But if it is for your life, then no one can stop you in this world from reaching your goal, dream, or success. I think now you understood what I'm going to tell, right? Well, dream big and then take any action necessary for it. So many of our dreams at first seem impossible, and many will tell you that you're dreaming too big. In truth, they think too small. Everything starts with a dream and a vision. You have to believe in you first. Let people talk you out of it. Circumstances will discourage you. Delays cause you to give up. Critical people cause you to get distracted. You have to stay focused on your goal, dream big, and make those big things happen. If you are going to be successful in creating the life of your dream, you have to believe that you are capable of making it happen. You have to believe that you have the right stuff and that you are able to pull it off. Unless you understand that you have to got to push yourself, you're not going to make your dreams come true. You are just not. You're always going to need to parent yourself. One thing you should fix in your mind, no one is coming to help you. No one is coming to push you. No one is coming to tell you what to do, and no one is coming to tell you do this or that. You have to get out of the door and exercise that you are always dreamt about. It's up to you. In order to be that man or woman, you have to get out of your own way in order to produce something that you have never produced before. You have to say something you have never done before, so you can be the person you have always known yourself to be. It's easier to accept the fact that I'm just not good enough, but I'll tell you right now, see if you can stop saying things you know to be lies. You will always have a million excuses not to do it, not to believe in yourself. So do what you passionate about. Take chances. There is a famous quote. I think everyone heard this. Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss it, you will land somewhere in the stars, right? So that means what? You have to aim to the moon. At least you will be in stars. To achieve big, you have to dream big. People will hate you, rate you, shake you, and break you. But how strong you stand is what will make you. So think big, dream big, keep your desires high, and then your desire will take you to your dreams. You have to follow these steps if you want to achieve your goal. First, what you have to do is revive your dream. That means visualize your dream first. What is your exact dream? Give shape to that, form and color for it with clear mind. So be clear with your goal. That means if you know your goal, search the way to reach it. You all know about Michael, right? he is a player. He never said it is impossible. He always said, let me think, how can I make it possible? And also, one thing he used to tell, I can accept failure. Everyone fails at something, but I can't accept not trying. I think you understood my point. There is no dead end, you have to search it. Search the possibilities. Don't be afraid to fail. Just remember, dreams without goals are just dreams. You have to take risk. If you fail at some point in your life, accept it. If you don't fail, you're not even trying. Learn from your failures and go on to the next challenge with more experiences. To get something you never had, you have to do something you never did. Right? Keep in your mind and thought, a winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Dream requires sacrifices. Underline this word. Don't look back and don't have regrets. Hard work and valuing people, nothing can stop you. Be the example for a crazy dreamer in the world. I think everyone will follow this to reach your goal dreams, right? Well, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. For more updates, press the bell icon. Thank you.